Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, they say there's nothing permanent in life and nothing lasts forever, and there's nowhere that saying is truer than in politics, because politics is a short-lived career. So now in this video clip that you're about to see, you will see Vice President Yemi Osinbajo preparing for his life after governance. So watch this. So there you saw Vice President Yemi Osinbajo sharpening his musical skills with the accompaniment of a pianist and a backup singer. So he's preparing himself now for that life back at the Redeemed Church where he originally came from, because he's a practicing lawyer and as well as a pastor. Now, we all know that the prophet really is usually in the Malachi 3:10 route. So he's now sharpening his skills so that when he leaves the LGBT headquarters in Aso Rock, he will go back to the major LGBT that is really going on in Nigeria, which is the Christendom and the preaching and whatnot. So Luta continua, as they say, we're amongst the care guides and all that. So the story goes on. This affable, seemingly amiable chap, he knows a thing or two about where the prophet is, and if you don't think he knows a thing or two about where the prophet is and how to get the prophet, then you're just being silly. So there you have him practicing his skills for life after politics, to go into another arena where the dollars continue to roll in. So what says you? Vice President Yemi Osinbajo sharpening his musical skills in preparedness for a life after politics. So conversations in the comment section. I particularly want to know your view on this chap, Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, because a lot of people seem to be giving him a pass in the Buhari regime, as though he was the good guy of that regime. But I want to know especially what your take is on this fella. So conversations, as I said, in the comment section. But before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. The bell button as well, click on that so you are notified whenever I drop a video. Then come join me, let's have a chat about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.